this thing where I get older, but just never wiser. Midnights become my afternoons.
Great song, wow.
When my depression works the graveyard shift all over people, I go sit stand there. It's me. I'm the problem, it's me. It must be exhausting. I was rooting for the anti-hero. Sometimes I feel like everybody is a sexy baby, and I'm a monster on the hill. Ooh, too big to hang out, slowly lurching towards your favorite city. Pierced through the heart but never killed. Oh, it's me. Hi, I'm the problem, it's me. At tea time, everybody agrees. I'll stare directly at the sun, but never in the mirror. It must be exhausting, always rooting for the anti-hero. For the anti-hero.
That was so good.
Holy moly.
Holy moly indeed.
What the heck?
Wow.
Well, I'm Bella Mackenzie. I'm 18 years old and I'm from Mackay in North Queensland.
I've always had a love for country music. I think it's definitely growing and growing, but people kind of look down on it. It's important for me to be able to go out and show that country music's still alive and well. Every weekend I've been singing at the local pub since I was probably 12 years old, but the Voice stage is going to be really different compared to the local pub. Everyone there's not really listening, they're kind of doing their own thing.
You're 18?
Yeah, yep.
Is this mum and dad?
Yep.
Bella, I think I have a new favourite. And let me tell you why. It's a no-brainer. There was so much feel in the way you were singing, so much musicality in the things that you were doing. Great song choice. I love Taylor Swift. I got the pleasure of touring with Taylor when she was here, and she would absolutely love that version.
Thank you.
Tell me a bit about what you want out of The Voice.
Yeah, well, I'm here to put country music on the map. I love country music and it's kind of how I grew up, so yeah, I just love it.
I would absolutely love you on my team. To be honest, if I was a record label, I would sign you just because you could be, not just in Australia, but serious potential to hold your own on a world stage in the country scene as well. I don't say that sort of stuff very often, so I think you're great. I really do.
Thank you so much.
Oh, sis, wow, you're speaking my genre of music. I grew up listening to country music. That's pretty much what all my family listened to, and I just had to... Yeah, I just had to put up with it. No, but I learned to grow with it and love it and understand it and learn actually how to songwrite from it. I still write it in my music, particularly in my ballads, you know, even in my high tempo. Like, Pop a Bottle came from country. I don't want to wait until the weekend comes. Like, it was proper country song, and then we turned it into a pop song. So I see you doing that. I see you doing both things. You know, I see your name up there. I see you rocking it out in stadiums. Like, sis, you know, we could do that. We could do that. You could do that with Team Jess. I want you on my team.
I really love the arrangement. You know, I think Taylor really went out on a limb and created an album and a sound that was very much a departure from her previous work. But you even took that departure and you brought it back to her roots, which I thought was really interesting. Because what you kind of did was you brought the best of both Taylor worlds and put them together, which I thought was really, really brilliant. You came out here and you were totally an individual and you hit all your notes and you told a story, most importantly. I think you have what it takes.
Absolutely.
I love you. I think you are the cutest thing. You are the full package. I think that when you become a huge superstar, don't forget about us. And they're going to make like dolls out of you. I can see it now. All jokes aside, I'm so impressed. You know, I definitely would love nothing more than to work with you. Your ability is through the roof. It was just unbelievable. I don't have anyone like you on my team. And on top of that, you are so young and you seem so fun. And I want you to really enjoy this experience. And, you know, you are definitely a force to be reckoned with. And I would love to have you on Team Rita.
Thank you so much.
Okay, it's choosing time.
Well, I really appreciate everything that you've all said. Thank you so much. Means a lot. Obviously, I am so inspired by all of you. You're all insane. But I think that this person sort of just related to what I've been thinking as an artist lately. So I think that the person I'm going to go with is Guy.
Hey! You said Guy, right?
She said Guy.
How you doing? That was so great.
Thank you.
So great.
Thank you.
I love all your runs and stuff. How you feeling? You can breathe now. It's a good feeling when it's done.
So good. Oh, that's so cool.
Once upon a time it was paradise. Once upon a time I was paralyzed. Think I'm gonna miss these harbor lights, but it's time to let it go. Once upon a time it was made for us. Woke up one day and had turned to dust. Maybe we were found, but now we're lost. So it's time to let it go.
Hey.
I bought my house in the hills, but I don't think I'm down. So won't you slide away back to the ocean? I'll go back to the city, back to the ocean. Nah, 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 you slide away back to the ocean. Nah, 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 you slide away.
Oh my goodness.
Really
oh my
good.
goodness.
Man, that was fire.
We're in the home stretch, the hard times. We took a harder left, but we're all right.
Life sure can try to put love through it, but we built this right. Nothing's ever gonna move it.
When the bones are good, the rest don't matter.
Yeah, the pain could peel, the glass could shatter, let it rain.
'Cause you and I remain the same. When there ain't a crack in the foundation, baby, I know any storm we're facing will blow right over while we stay put. The house don't fall when the bones are good.
When the
I don't care, even if the glass it shatters.
we are unbreakable.
They could peel and the glass could shatter. The glass could shatter. When there ain't a crack in the foundation, baby, I know any storm we're facing will blow right over while we stay put. House don't fall when the bones are good.
Hey.
And the bones are good. Yeah.
Okay.
And the bones are good.
Just a small town girl living in a lonely world. She took the midnight train going anywhere. So stop believing. Hold on to the feelings. Dream Well, there's no need to analyze this kind of emotion, 'cause it comes naturally. A simple case of feeling love and devotion. So tell me tenderly, I wanna give my life to you, over and over and over again. We've got two strong hearts, we stick together like the honey and the bee. You and me, we've got two strong hearts, reaching